for my little air pressure experiment, I'm using a potato gun that is pneumatic or just uses air pressure to shoot the potato in the air. And the first thing you gotta do is put a potato. Jamming potato in.
You start.
Okay, next we gotta fill it up with air using this air hose right here. Put it right here.
Okay.
Okay, so this part of the potato gun right here with the little stripes, it's under a lot of pressure here, and this red valve, it's keeping the air in there so that it won't come out, and the potato is in this part. So if you turn the valve, the potato will like shoot out.
2, 1, bam! 2, 1, bam!
It went somewhere. Where did it go? Oh, I see some of it.
I think some shot through the fence and some bounced into the house.
That's the potato. This is the little mark. You can barely see it. And I think there's some through there. I can't see it.
I think it flexed the wood and went right through.
Nice.
Some bounced that way.
Wow.
All right.